I know I have not been here for a while, you guys, to be honest. To cut it short, first I was stressed and just depressed. Oh my god, that rhymes. I was stressed, depressed because of how my channel is going. But you know, if I just focus on, and then I got the freaking, you know, the virus. So all that just, I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna upload. That's like what I always end up thinking of. Like, I'm just going to upload. Who gives a damn if I'm not getting any comments, any views, or anything? It's just so hard, you know. It's YouTube. It's really hard for me. It's been really hard for me. I got sidetracked. I don't even know what I was saying, but let's begin this look, you guys. So you guys want a wedding guest makeup look? I'm going to start with the eyebrows, and I'm going to start with the Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit, you guys. This one and the one from Makeup Forever, they're so good. And also the one from from Benefit, the Brow Micro Filling Pen. It's so freaking good. I think mine's dry. Yeah, it's drying up, but I love it. So I'm going to just brush my brows. You guys, I don't have nothing on my face, girl. You could see like little hairs coming out. When I was freaking sick, oh my god, I let my brows grow. Everything was growing. I was like, I was not in my body, to be honest. I wasn't. So I'm gonna start with my brows. And as you guys see, just a little bit goes a long way. It's like super pigmented. I just try to follow the line. Don't overdraw a line that is not there. And then I'm just grabbing the spoolie and brushing everything to blend it. Okay, so I didn't clean up my brows or anything. I'm gonna do that at the end. But I'm gonna be adding the NYX brow glue. I would add this first, and it was okay, but I think adding it at the end, it just works better for me. I don't know. I'm still testing it out, but either way, it's still good. So I'm just gonna add it and just placing it like how my hairs are growing. So these ones are up, and then right here, just line them up. With an angle brush, I'm just going to clean it up, even though I don't have any product, but it's going to still clean them up. And you guys can already see that. No product. And then just grab another spoolie and brush them to remove a little bit of that. Now I'm going to be adding my Makeup Forever Aqua Resist Brow Fixer in color Soft Brown. Step just fills everything in and blends everything nicely. So now with whatever loose powder you have, grab a little bit and apply that on a brush and just apply it on your brows. I feel like that NYX brow glue leaves your brows really, really shiny, and I really didn't like that. So just apply some, and that would just go away. So all I'm doing is just cleaning up my brows with my foundation stick from Wet n Wild, you guys. I'm not using any concealer because I don't want my brows to stand out. I noticed when I use a lighter concealer, they just stand out more. So using my foundation will make them blend. I'm applying some concealer just to color correct the redness. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna try to make this look as easy as possible. So I'm gonna be using this drugstore product from Pixi. I love Pixi products, you guys. This one is with Promise. It's a collaboration with Promise, you guys, and it's her sculptor palette. So it's to sculpt your face, to contour your face, to make yourself look, you know. I just love the colors here, so I'm gonna be using this for the face and eyes. So go get yourself one, you guys. So I'm gonna be using this color right here, and this one, I think it's called Karma. Yes, I'm thinking it's called. I hate it when they do this. Like, it's so hard. Like, is this one? You know what I mean? So I'm gonna be using Karma, and it's like a brownish skin tone color. I'm gonna be applying that on the crease. Do you guys think I sound different? Seriously, since I got that stupid virus, Like, I feel like it's still in my body. It's not out yet, even though I'm negative already, you guys. But like, I still feel some symptoms. Let me know if you guys have got it and how it was for you guys. I'm thankfully I didn't have to go to the hospital, even though Carlos wanted to take me, because girl, this is another video, but yes, it was not good. So I'm just applying it on my crease, you guys. It's such a beautiful color. I think on any skin tone it will look so good. So just apply it on the crease, bringing it a little bit closer to the brow bone. It's so pretty and it blends so good. I just love their face products. Most of the time the eyeshadows don't really work on me. I don't really like it. It's so hard for me to work with it, but I work with it, you know. But their face products are so good. Their face powders are really, really good. So this palette could be like your everyday palette, girl. You can create so many looks with it, and you can use it on your face. That's a plus on my list. All right, so look at how beautiful that looks. So freaking pretty. So then after, we're going to be using the this one. Then we're going to be using this one. I think this one is called Spice. I'm sure it's called Spice. And I'm still using the same brush, and the brush that I'm using is by Morphe M513. And I'm going to apply this under that brown, you guys, just to give some depth to it. And sometimes if you don't see that color showing up, pat it. Now I'm going to grab this dark one, and this one is called Baser. So I'm trying to create this look as sultry, sexy, and easy for you guys. Just tap out the excess. Oh my lord. And I'm going to pat this on my lid. And then also apply some on the crease. Alright, so now with a smaller brush, and this one is by Sedona Lace EB21, you guys, has been my favorite brush of all. I'm going to grab that darker shade and apply it on the bottom of my lash line to smoke it out, make it look nice and sexy. By far, this is my least favorite part to do. I can't stand it. Now, moving on to eyeliner, you guys. I'm going to be adding the Schwing eyeliner from the Balm Cosmetics. This is so good. It's so pigmented. It glides on smoothly. Hopefully mine's not dried already because it's been a while. But I'm just going to do a normal wing eyeliner. I always start from the middle. So I wing it out, and then halfway I bring it down. And then we start connecting it. I don't know why my room is so dark right now, you guys. It's not even late. It's 12 o'clock. I think the sun is just facing a different way this time. Grab your favorite eyeliner. I am using the Full Spectrum by CoverGirl, and I'm just going to line my top line. Alright, so I'm just gonna leave my eyes like that. I need to add mascara and lashes, but I'm gonna do that at the end when I already applied my foundation. So for my face, I'm going to be starting out with the Confidence in a Gel lotion, which is really hydrating and it is weightless. I love the way my skin feels when I apply this, so smooth. So I'm just going to apply some moisturizer first. So now moving on to primer, I'm gonna be using the No Pore Blem Primer by Touch in Soul, you guys. This thing works just like my Makeup Forever one. I can't even find my Makeup Forever one. There's such a mess in here. So I'm going to be applying this one, but patting it. You guys, patting it wherever I have big pores, which is around my nose area and my face. And it also makes your face so smooth. For foundation, I have not been using this foundation that much on my videos, but I have used it, when I'm not filming. Is by IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better Foundation plus skincare. So it helps to improve your skin in 2 weeks. It's water light and it's medium coverage and natural radiant finish, you guys. I really love this foundation. It works really good, and by the way the brand is amazing, you guys. So I have my Real Technique Seamless Complexion brush and apply some of that on my skin. I am in color medium neutral. As you guys can see, I am patting it. I'm not rubbing it, I'm just patting it to make it look as natural as possible. So here you guys see one side with it and the other side without it. It looks really natural, so smooth, you guys. It looks really good. So now for concealer, one of my favorite concealers is by Makeup Forever, the Matte Velvet Skin, you guys. And I'm going to be using the 3.6. And it says, so the one that I'm using is a little bit yellow. So that's going to help with color correcting the green and the reddish that I have. And a little bit goes a long way because, I mean, even though that's a lot, it is super thick. I'm going to grab this brush from Real Techniques. And this one is a medium shadow brush. I just love how this brush blends everything. I'm always patting it. I rarely go like this on my makeup. I always pat. This is why I didn't add the mascara, because it will mess up my makeup. Look at that, girl. This thing works so good. I hope you guys can see because my lighting is a bit crazy today. So now with a fluffy brush, this one is also this one is by Royal Nickel, the Highlight and Glow brush. I'm going to grab some of my Airspun loose powder and just pat that under. I'm not going to bake. I haven't baked for a while. I feel like baking, I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you guys bake? I'm just going to pat this everywhere. With a fluffier brush, I'm going to set my face. Now back with my palette, I'm going to contour my face, you guys. I'm going to use this small fluffy brush by Morphe, which is the M510. And I'm going to contour with this one right here. It is not as dark, it's just really pretty. So to contour my nose, I'm going to use the same color, and I'm using a Royal Nickel brush, the Angle eyeshadow brush. This has to be my favorite brush, you guys. Every time I grab some of that contour, I don't do it straight, you know, from grabbing it and then putting it on my nose. I always go like this. So I'm going to be adding some blush, and this has been one of my favorite blushes so far by Japanese in Velvet Touch blush. It is so pretty, and it has a little bit of shimmer, which it works perfectly if you don't want to add any, you know, highlights, which I normally don't. I'm going to be grabbing this yellow in the palette, and what I'm going to be doing with that is applying it under my eyes just to brighten up that area. Before, I used to use, where are you? One from Wet n Wild, which is a contouring palette. As you guys see, it has the contouring, the yellow. I feel like they're the same, which is so good because you have everything in one palette. But look at how beautiful that looks. And apply it wherever you want to, just brighten up that area. And then you can even go ahead and use a smaller brush. And let me show you guys what you guys can do. You guys can grab a smaller brush and just apply it right here. Promise, girl, you rock this. This thing is good. She designed is really good. I mean, you can use it for your whole face, your eyes. It is really good. It also has a shimmer here. Or yeah, it has like some shimmer, but I don't want any shimmer on my face today. I just want it nice and matte. And it also has this other shimmer, which you can use as a highlight or for the eyes. I mean, I can apply a little bit of this on my lid, and girl, but we're going for a sexy, neutral, smoky, basic, something that stands out, you know, but still keeping it lay low. For my lips, you guys, I'm going to be using the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in Total Taupe. And I love the fact that you can use this pencils on your eyes, on your face, anywhere. So just a little bit goes a long way. I always fill in the inner corners. And this has been my go-to lippy. So now for gloss, I'm going to be using the Sigma Renew Lip Oil. And this actually does last for quite a while. I could say like half a day. The last step, you guys, is applying your setting spray. I'm using the Professional Super Setting Spray by Benefit Cosmetics, you guys. This really does work, and I love how fine it is. As you guys see, I'm talking through it, and it doesn't choke me or anything. It's super fine. Here you guys have the final look. I hope you guys love it. It is really easy to recreate, you guys. It goes with anything, and I feel like it looks good on everybody. Please leave me your comments down below. Please, girl, boost this video up. I know I haven't been on here, but I'm gonna try my best to come on again, you guys. It's just been hard, but I'll have more videos for you guys explaining to how everything was when I was sick with the you-know-what. I'm not trying to say it because YouTube is just on a hunt for everybody, you guys. So I hope you guys love this look. Please leave me your comments down below if you guys would wear this look. And what else do you guys want to see? I'll see you guys on my other videos. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and also hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified of when I upload.